everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is what is it called? It's a collector's guide, and I have another one to show you. Let's see what we got. Well, we actually have a second collector's guide. Okay. I wonder what this is gonna be. Open it. Let's see what I got. Oh, wow. I always wanted this. So we have Baby Bell. If anybody knows what Baby Bell is, put it in the comments down below. So this is a type of cheese. Okay. I actually have a second collector's guide right now, so Daddy, I have a second collector's guide. Oh no. Oh, sorry about that. That's just my manager talking to me. I'll be right back. Okay. I got my pen. I'm gonna find it in here. Cheese. Where is that cheese? I have no idea what the cheese is. Is the cheese even in here? Found the cheese. I was gonna get the red cheese, but it turns out I did not get the red cheese. I also have it. Okay. Bye. Please, if you want to check out more videos, please go on Cute Mini Brands, or I can do Miniverse if you want. Bye.